Today is 9th of May 2026, and today is my daughter's Aya Sheikh birthday. She turned 8. The only thing I prayed day and night to God in my Tahajjud prayer, midnight prayer, to bless me with baby girl when I got married. My first child, I always wanted to have a baby child. So God has blessed me with that. I'm so grateful. Today she turned 8. I thought last night I would have fly to India. I thought, but due to some important commitment here, I couldn't be able to travel to India to celebrate my kid birthday. Wherever you are, my dear Ayush Sheikh, stay blessed, stay healthy, and let me share today's thoughts. And from last 1 week, I guess, I'm actually going through some emotional pressure. I told you, I think I have already recorded it in my previous vlogs. I told that I have posted one, the video of my Telite a decade ago, where we were celebrating. I just posted a video of saying that we should not compromise health while doing after having the $1 million project success. But the hook line which I have written was wrong. I have written we celebrated our $1 million project success with sweets and samosas, but that hook line catched and it got viral. And after that, many of my managing directors have reached out to me to remove that post, so the problem is not removing the post. I told this before as well. The problem is not removing. Even when I was in, I think I have already recorded that when I was in Deloitte, when I was a well-being leader, every fitness post was getting removed from HRs because of so many complaints. Like my colleagues, managers used to go and complain to my project director. My project director simply used to tell Sam, just remove that post and concentrate on your project. I used to tell boss, this is my fun initiative. I'm just posting it to motivate Deloitte people to stay fit and healthy, not to do some But when HR or Deloitte managing director used to ping for a single Instagram post, there was no time to debate, or there was no time for me to explain what was written in that Instagram post. Simply delete. Simply, or even for Ramadan video, even for many Diwali videos. It's not like Ramadan, Diwali. I used to post all the I know why they were getting removed, but simply like commanding was the problem. The leaders won't understand. Simply if they ask something, it is some simple like we just need to remove it. They don't have time to check what was written, why it was written, did he share any client information, did he share anything. No, they won't check all these things because they don't have time. Even I don't have time to debate with them. So that is the reason I am not removing that post. I have written clearly, man. I can't explain more. Why I am sharing this with all of you is because of simple reason. People are reaching out to me. I respect them from the bottom of my heart, because the emotional why I am getting is the leaders, the Deloitte managing directors who have supported me for my entire career. If they are reaching out to me, that means I am emotionally getting pressure. If any other managing director would have reached out to me, I simply ignored his comment, I simply block him. But the managing directors who I admire the most, the day I joined Deloitte in the year 2016, from that day I am watching them. From that day I am observing them, because those managing directors are my lifelong gurus. Trust me. From the day I joined, I used to walk with them. I used to talk with them. I was learning from them. Because if they are reaching out to me to remove that post, to say no to those leaders, I'm actually it is very difficult for me. Otherwise, simply I would have said them. This is the reason, right? This is what AI can do. From last 3 days, I was thinking how to resolve these issues, because I was trying to block one of my favorite managing directors time, but to discuss this issue openly in a call instead of message. But I think he is also busy. I think I'll get in touch with him for a 15 minutes call. I'll tell him whatever he suggests. I'll think and work accordingly. That's not a problem. Removing that post, what is there, man? I can do it in 1 second. That thing is there, but unless they understand my intention, I'm not going to remove that post. No matter, I'll fight. I'll hire the best lawyer advocate in the world. But sometimes if it comes to my ego, right? If it hurts my ego, I can spend millions on that, but I will not remove that post. Trust me on that. This is why I get angry. If someone is telling me, Deloitte managers are pinging me, why are you taking unnecessary stuff? Remove that post. Boss, you did not know how it went to me when I was in Deloitte. So you don't know how many sleepless nights I had managing that multi-million-dollar project, and also doing that some initiative stuff, bullshit, teaching people health and fitness to Deloitte folks. In morning, you teach some health and fitness to these Deloitte folks, and night you work on your client projects. People think like Samir is only doing push-ups in the gym and teaching fitness. Why can't he become a trainer? All this, criticism I have already in my mind is there. Yes, I am a fitness trainer, but professionally, client will not pay you if you do push-ups. If you do 1,000 push-ups in front of client, multi-million-dollar project, client will not care. Man, no, I don't need your push-ups. Just do my work, he will say. If you are not doing client work in Deloitte, that means immediately they will fire you. You think without doing client work, we can do all this fitness stuff in Deloitte, and client will. Every night you take calls from client, and in the morning you teach some initiative stuff to Deloitte. And if you listen the same thing from HR, that boss remove that fitness post. That burning is there in my heart till now. I'll not forget it in my life. I learned something from Deloitte is, no matter you become a CEO of no matter if you become the top leader, everyone should follow the compliance rules, regulations. That is the only thing I can say you. This is, make sure you start your own startup. My passion is health and fitness. That is the reason I have created a startup, Global Fit Techies, to make people health, to make 1 billion people fit and healthy. As this problem is the problem, as I told you, the problem, it was burning in my heart from last 4 days. I thought I spent 2 days before 1 hour. Why can't I create a AI neutral judge? Neutral judge which can analyze my post. This is what AI can do. As an AI architect, I'm telling you, don't send me your resumes, bullshit stuff. Solve the problem. The problem which I had from last 4 days, 5 days is, how do I explain to my managing directors the intention? Because I was not able to get there even 15 minutes of time. So I have created an app. The app is AI neutral judge. I just spent last 2 days before I spent 1 hour, and I think today I spent 1 more hour in my free time. This is my free time. This is my passion. As it is burning in my heart, that is the reason I have created that. Let me show you the demo. Because whenever, right, if you are reaching out to me, I told you, don't ask me, sir, Samir, hire me in your company. Resolve my problems. I'll see your passion. Then I'll think of you to give the project or not. Let me share my screen. So when you go to AI neutral judge, even I have not tested this. I just deployed it 1 hour before. Now maybe I'll test it out in front of you. Look here. It is a neutral judge which will analyze the comment, posts, and guide you. Oh my god, it is asking me to open full screen. Let me show you. So I have created this. It will judge the gap between what I meant, how people understood. Yes, I got people like all the negative stuff, but they don't understand. See here, you can I have added. You can see my post here. I am publishing it publicly. You guys can check it out. and give me the feedback. It took me just 2 to 3 hours to make this type of application. See the recent post which I have posted. Father is emotion, YSR is inspiration. Yeah, I have written, I have asked AI to see. Let me show you in a full screen. If you check for this, I got 18, every comment is there. The next upgrade for this app is maybe auto respond to all the negative comments. Boss, this was my intention, don't comment, something like that. I'll publish. If you are working on that, get that. I'll publish that GitHub link, get the code, work accordingly. It's a free thing. Once I see your coding skills, then I'll hire you. And I'm not getting money. This is solving my problem. You will also learn how to solve human problems using AI. Let me go to my Instagram. Let me just open that post in front of you and copy it. I have not tested it. Maybe it will ask me. Let me just tell to analyze the intention versus audience. Oh my God, it is analyzing. So it has loaded all the comments. Reputational risk 2 out of 100. Legal risk 0 out of 100. That is the reason I claim. Oh my God. Clarity versus score. Caption score C, 99 out of 100. It is offering the clarity. Audience support, positive response rate. 81% of my audience is supporting that. Its judge score is 95 out of 100. Creator's intention is the creator appears to be sharing a professional fitness tech message and inviting the audience to engage with global. Yeah, one thing I am inviting them. I am inviting them to collaborate with me in my global fit tech case. If they think health matters more than their bullshit designation, yes, I did that because I need to promote, right, my company. I don't have time to read all this bullshit. I'll just, there is nothing in Instagram to unlike the message. The bullshit meta, they just, it should keep unlike. That's the reason if I see any messages, I'll just like for all the messages and go. I'll just make it as read. That is the reason you see all my Instagram posts. I like all the negative comments. You check my comments, guys, and and the next opportunity for you, why I have shared is, I'll publish this GitHub URL. Instead of asking me, take the code, work on it, and your job is in just one day, if you are making it auto respond to this comment, then that means you are a good developer, man. Signing off. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. I thought I might fly to India I might fly to India maybe in the afternoon, maybe, because I have some meetings just to celebrate my kid's birthday. I might not. Thank you for listening. This is Samir Sheikh, world's healthiest, fittest AI architect. Thank you.